Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to enable slide right gesture to start an app in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, go to gestures in motion. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see the screen of gesture on the top. And okay, you only have to do is click this. And now here you can see the screen of gesture switch button. Okay, you only have to do is enable the switch button. And now here you can see the more screen of gesture below, and you can see the screen of gesture. Okay, you all have to do is select the screen of gesture. And okay guys, now here you can see the slide right gesture. And okay guys, you all have to do is click this. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the slide right gesture to start an app in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, you all have to do is select the start an app. And okay guys, now you can select the application you want to start if the slide right gesture is enabled. And okay guys, I choose one of my application. And okay guys, I choose Chrome. So okay, for my example. And okay guys, automatically save the Chrome to slide right gesture. And okay guys, we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the slide right gesture to start an app in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.